Hello.
Oh my God, children, look, they're so funny. Oh my God. Come here. There you go.
So these things apparently spit, right?
Yeah, at each other, not usually at you. Oh, you're whiny.
That one's pretty cool. This guy.
Look, they're whiny at each other. Look.
Feed him.
I did. Yeah, he's the male that I think. I need to go get more.
That little guy over there.
Oh, this is the one that has that brain problem.
He does? Poor
Yeah,
thing.
let me go get some more. So you're gonna have to let them just thrash you.
This guy over here is just chilling. Look at him. Hello. What's up? Hey, what you doing, buddy? Hey, Lou. Hmm? What you doing?